Hey everyone, welcome back to the quiz. Are you facing an issue where a pop-up says part of this app has been blocked whenever you try to launch a program in Windows? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Now, this error happens because Windows security feature called Smart App Control is blocking the application from opening. To fix this, let's open our settings menu. Click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar, and then select Windows Security from the list on the right. From here, click on the App and Browser Control, and then select Smart App Control Settings. To bypass the block, we simply need to turn this settings to off, and go ahead and confirm the action when prompted. And for these changes to fully take effect, you'll need to restart your computer. And once your machine boots back up, you should be able to open the application that was giving you the trouble without any issues. Let me know in the comments if this has worked for you. And as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.